Interestingly, when I shared that we are going to be here talking about artificial intelligence, some of the colleagues and clients asking me, yeah, but why it should be a women's issue? And I get that. At the first glance, it looks misplaced. Because AI is about what? Productivity, growth, change, efficiency. But why bring gender to it? Let me tell you, with the AI revolution, we are about to change the system we are operating. While fundamental inequalities remains unsolved. And the problem with it is that technology doesn't fix the weak systems. Technology scales it. And AI trained on non-diversified data and can reinforce discrimination and stereotypes. And when acceleration meets the political and organizational rollback, imbalances we've been fighting for so long, even hardening. And we as women experience this first, because too many of the decisions shaping this phase are still made without us. So when I'm looking at AI, I'm not looking at a set of tools. I'm looking at a system of power. And the system that determines what becomes visible, what scales, which decisions we take, and we automate, and which voices never enter in the process at all. This is where women agenda and AI agenda gets together. Women remain significantly underrepresented in the most consequential AI decision areas: design, training, deployment, regulation. And the result is operational bias, or even more than that. By lack of representation, bias is not only remained, it's scaled and institutionalized. With this, AI-driven decisions in hiring, healthcare, and finance are widening inequalities. And automated AI tools may only disadvantage women even more because of the bias. And we are all here responsible for this. Many of the decisions that will shape the next phase of AI-driven transformation are being taken now. And decisions about governance frameworks, workforce transition, access to reskilling, and the financing, these choices will not be easy to revisit once the system is there. That's why we better get involved all together in this platform to decide how we can shape the future, how we can overcome the systematic barriers. Roland Berger today here is not just as a partner, but as a participant to this mission, because we commit to the diversity and equality. We advise our clients to build and diversified teams, diversified strategies, the diversified systems, while going through the biggest transformation of the last decades, driven by AI.